Hello students, I am Aman Sharma. Today we are going to continue the remaining part of coordinate geometry 26A exercise. So we have solved 5 questions. Now today we will do start from 6th question. And make sure before we start that you have subscribed to my channel and share this video with as many as friends you can. So this is the 6th question. Find the coordinates of point whose abscissa is the solution of first equation and ordinate is the solution of second equation. So there are 3 parts. In every part there are 2 equations. This is your first equation, this is your second. The abscissa is the solution of first equation. इसे solve करके by solving this equation we will get a value of x. So that x is your abscissa, that means x-axis coordinate of the point, and from here we will get the value of y, and this is ordinate, the point from the origin towards the y-axis. So just solve this. Minus 2x is equal to 7, this 3 minus 3, so this is 7 minus 3 4x. So this will go in division, so x is equal to minus 2. Your x is equal to minus 2. Then 2y plus 1 is equal to 10 minus 2.5 y. So when we will take 1 to that side, it will change its sign, minus 1, and this is a negative term. When we will take it to that side, this will become positive. Now this is 9 and this is 2 plus 2.5, 4.5. 9 by 2. From here y is equal to 2. Cross multiply करो, 2 on the upper side, 9 on the denominator, 9 will cancel each other, y is equal to 2. Okay students, so required points coordinate. So your point is minus 2 comma 2. I guess quite easy. Just we have to solve. Okay, just solve first equation and then second, just find the points. This is your second part. 2a upon 3 minus 1 is equal to a by 2. 2a upon 3 minus a by 2. So this one will become positive 1. We have taken this 2a upon 3 to that side, and minus 1 become positive when we take it to this side. 2 by 3a, so take LCM 6. 4a minus 3a is equal to 1. Cross multiply, 1 into 6, 6, 4 minus 3, a. So value of a is 6. Now this is your second equation. Okay, 15 minus 7b, 15 minus 4b upon 7 equal to 2b minus 1 upon 3. Just do the cross multiply. 3, 15 minus 4b is equal to 7, 2b minus 1. 15 3s of 45 minus 12b, 14b minus 7. Take this 12b to that side, 14b plus 12b, and this 7 to that side, 45 plus 7. So this will become 26b and 52. From here b is equal to 52 upon 26, which is 2. We have calculated a and we have also calculated b. Basically we have solved this equation number 1, which was your abscissa, and we have solved equation number 2, which is your ordinate. So point is 6, 2. Just note it down. And then your third part. So 5 minus x is equal to half 3 minus x. From here we have to calculate the value of x. 5 minus 5 minus minus plus x is equal to half 3 minus x. 5 plus 1, that is 6x, minus 5. Take this 2 to that side, this will be changed into multiplication. X minus 3 minus x. Now this is 12x minus 10 is equal to 3 minus x. This 10 will change into positive 3 plus 10, and this minus x will also change into positive 12x plus x. So 13x, 13. So x is equal to 13 by 13, which is equal to 1. So this is the solution of your first equation, x is equal to 1. Now we will be solving second part. So let 1 as its denominator. Now cross multiply. 4 3s are 12 minus 9y is equal to 4 plus y. When we will take this negative 9y to that side, it will change positive. 9 plus 1, 10 minus 4. From here calculate the value of y, that will be 8 by 10. Y is equal to 0.8. Your point is 1, 0.8. Just note it down. Now in the 7th question, this is your 7th question. In each of the following coordinate, 3 vertices of rectangle ABCD is given. By plotting the given points, find in each case the coordinate of the 4th vertex. So ये आपका होमवर्क भी है क्वेश्चन, बट आई विल एक्सप्लेन हाउ टू सॉल्व. सो 3 पॉइंट्स आर गिवन A, B, C. Just plot these 3 points. Okay student, after plotting the points, so for example A is 2,0, B is 8,0, C is 8,4. So suppose the 3 points which we have plotted are like this. So you can plot. So obviously just make a right angle here and a right angle here. So where this point will intersect, these lines will intersect, this is your 4th point. So you can, on the graph there is a grid system, so there are lines like this, so very easily you can spot the 4th point. So all the parts are like this, just plot the 3 and you will find the 4th one very easily. Next, then 8th question, ABCD vertices of parallelogram ABCD by plotting given point on graph. So okay, this is also similar. You just need to know is, so 3 points are given. So suppose these are the 3 points. So just ये 3 points आपको given है, these 3 points. Just note the distance between these 2 points. Suppose this is around 4 units are there, then just mark up to 4 units here. So then join these, so this will be your 4th point. This is your required parallelogram. So if this is A, B, C, this will be your D. Just plot the 3 points then either note down this distance, mark same here, or note down this distance, mark a parallel line here. So this will be your fourth point. Then they are asking about midpoints of AB and, so this is A, B, C, D, AB and CD. So how can, so if these are 3 units, then this will be 1.5. These are 2 units, then this will be 1. So just note the boxes here and you will find the midpoint very easily. So these are just based on the basic plotting. Just plot these numbers, you can solve this question very easily. Then question number 9, A, C and D are given vertices of a square. So you all know what is square, all sides are equal, so you can easily figure out which is your point B. Then you have to find the midpoint of BC, just half is the midpoint, and midpoint of CD, just also you can calculate the boxes. The half number of boxes will be of midpoint. The coordinate of point of intersection of diagonals of square. Suppose this is your square, just find the midpoints first. So A, B, C and D, they are asking about midpoint of BC. This is the midpoint of BC, and CD, so this is the midpoint of CD. Then they are asking the coordinate of the diagonal. Just join the diagonals with the scale. So this is a point. Now just check the coordinates of this point according to the x-axis and y-axis. So where this point lies. So for example, this is 4, this is 3, then the point will be 3, 4. Question number 10. By plotting the following point on the same graph, check whether they are collinear or not. So these are 1, 2, 3. So 3 points are there. We have to check whether these points are collinear or not collinear. So just a very easy question. You have to plot these all 3 points first. So when you plot these 3 points, for example, one point is this, another is this, and third point is this. Now just join any 2 points. Now if I extend this line, this point is not on this line, so that means they are not collinear. If the all 3 points lies on the same line, then they are collinear, otherwise not. Just you have to plot the 3 points, whether they are lying on the same line, then these points are collinear. If they are not lying on the same line, then these points are not collinear. Same way the second part you have to do. Then next question, plot A. From A, draw perpendicular AM to x-axis, AN to y-axis. Find the coordinates of M and N. Okay, again a easy question. So first of all, this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. Now a point is given A, 5, -7. So 5, -7. So suppose this is point A, 5, -7. Now they are asking to draw a perpendicular. This is a perpendicular on y-axis, this is a perpendicular on x-axis. So perpendicular on x-axis and y-axis, AM is a perpendicular on x-axis, AN is a perpendicular on y-axis. Just you have to draw the straight lines. So already these lines are on the graph, just you have to overwrite that line. Now what is the coordinates of this and this? तो इसके कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या होंगे? x एक्सिस के ऊपर y हमेशा 0 होता है. नाउ x इज 5,0 and here 0, -7. So these are the coordinates. Okay. Next question, then question number 12. ABCD is square. ABC. So just plot this. By plotting, you have to find the coordinate of last vertex, that is D. So then we are aware of the all four vertices ABCD. Find the area of square. Area of square is side square, side into side. Just calculate the number of units between A and B, then multiply it twice. You will get your answer. In the 13th question, a rectangle OABC, point O is origin, that is 0, 0. OA 10 units along x-axis, AB 8 units. Find the coordinates of vertices BC, ABC. Okay. So in this question number 13, O is your origin. For example, this is your origin, this is point O, and they are saying this is your x-axis, y-axis. OA 10 axis OA, so this is 1 2 3 4 10, so this is 10, this is OA. Then AB is 8 units, so for 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, suppose here is 8, so this will be point B, because your rectangle is OAB. Now just draw a perpendicular here, so this will be point C. So what is coordinate of this point? 10, 0. This point, this is 8, y8, x is 10, so 10, 8. This point here, x is 0 and 0, 8. Y-axis, there are 8 units. Just draw the graph, you will easily figure out the coordinates. With this, your exercise is completed. We will try to understand the next exercise in the next video. Till then, solve these questions, write these questions on your notebook, practice this question by plotting again more points, and comment me if you didn't understand any point in this exercise, then I will solve that question on graph. But I am sure that these are very easy, so you will able to do. Okay, thanks for watching and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.